Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a side swipe menu. Due to the small screen size of mobile devices, menu design is particularly crucial in app design. The side swipe menu is one of the most common menus in app design. Its advantages include less screen space, follows the natural hand gesture, can accommodate a large amount of content. Let's set up the widgets. We need a main interface and a side swipe menu panel. On the left, we can see the elements of the main interface, including cards and buttons. On the right, you can see the elements of the side shape menu. Create it as a dynamic panel and move it to the main interface. Then we add interactions to it. Add dragged interaction to the menu. Move this widget, select with drag X. Next, add the moved interaction to it. We need to add a condition to it. If this .x is less than 0, move it to 0. Then we drag into a hotspot. Change it to a line, name it line, and then place it in the centered left position of the interface. Then we add drag-dropped interaction to the menu and add conditions to it. If it is over area of line, move it to 0 in the x-coordinate. Else if, move its x-coordinate to 340. Preview the prototype, we can drag the menu, and when dragging dropped, the menu moves to the corresponding position. If you like it, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.